Plastic Trading International, in partnership with Gallina USA, present our polycarbonate sheets. They are virtually unbreakable. They're high impact resistant. They have high clarity and light transmission. They are half the weight of glass. Fireproof and printable. Our customers use polycarbonate in a variety of commercial and residential building projects, to include carports, patio and room enclosures, replacements for windows, skylights, greenhouses, sunrooms and arbors, walkways and pool enclosures, to name a few. This general-purpose thermoplastic is approximately 200 times stronger than glass and polyethylene. It is very pliable, allowing it to be cut or cold-formed on-site and at room temperature without cracking or breaking. Unlike glass, polycarbonate cannot be easily broken or damaged in harsh conditions. The sheets are virtually unbreakable, and they have a distinct advantage over glass in terms of safety and security. They're resistant to harmful ultraviolet rays, to heat, cold, and water damage, and they do not shrink with age, making them well suited to application where temperature changes are a concern. Whether you're looking for durability or aesthetics, Polycarbonate Sheets by Gallina USA can save you time and money. Please contact us at Plastic Trading International for more information.